What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be knocking out pad number 10. We're finally back at it. Just like last video, sorry for the delay, but I'm definitely all caught up on work season now, so I can focus on finishing this up. So this is going to get done pretty fast here. I'm planning on doing it in 3 parts, so 10, 11, 12, but should be all done here in the next week. Just want to get this done so I can move on to some other projects, and I have a lot of things I want to talk about for this pad, but I'm going to save it for the final video when I'm all done. I'm just going to do kind of like a recap of everything and talk about, mistakes, things I would do differently, just pretty much a review video. Today we're just going to get into it. Got my form set up to show you what I got here. I'm still going to get a few of these leaves out of here, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rebar drilled into this pad. That rebar is in the corner, goes all the way out to that edge. Got my wire mesh all along here that I'm going to lift up as I go. Then I had 4 extra pieces of rebar, so I drilled holes in that form and they're sticking through that form. So for this pad, I'll only need to drill maybe 1 hole there and then maybe 2 more at the end when the concrete's done, and just bead in a couple pieces of rebar. I really like having them stick through the form if I can. And these are connected to the wire mesh as well. Like always, got my ton of 2B limestone gravel, ton of highway sand. Over there I have 5 full bags of Portland, and then a bucket, and then a half bag. I have a whole nother bag if I need it, but I would like to just use all this up if I can. And yeah, guys, I'm really starting to see the light. So we're gonna get going here in a second. It is 10:20 right now. So we'll say I'm gonna start at 10:30. Still got a couple things to do. It's a nice cold morning, so I think this is gonna work good, because normally where I start sets up first. So it's really cold right now. So by the time I get done, the sun's gonna come out and it's gonna get a little bit warmer, and this whole pad should kind of dry nicely all in one piece. Pull my wire mesh up so I don't get no comments about it. All right guys, 1 o'clock. Got this all done. So 2.5 hours. Pretty good time here. I'm gonna hit it with my mag float real quick. All right, so looks like I'll come back in probably like an hour and put on the finishing smooth finish. All right guys, it's the next day here. I just took my forms off. You can see right here. So last night I just hit this concrete pad one time with my steel trowel just to get it smooth, and then I wanted to hit it again, but had a lot going on yesterday. So this one didn't turn out as smooth as the others. Not quite as smooth, but still really smooth compared to like a brush finish. Then I have one little spot where I messed up my edge, taking off the forms, but that's not a big deal. But here she is guys, pad number 10, all done. See my edge over here turned out pretty nice. I don't worry about these edges too bad, just because this is going to be filled with concrete. So any of these little divots, those will get filled in. And over here, this edge turned out really nice. This is the outer edge, so I try to get this one to be pretty. This outer edge, try to get this to be as nice as I can, because this is the final edge. It's going to be sticking out. And then over here on the very edge, got it pretty nice. This side you can't really see, it's going to be against dirt, so there's only one little spot right here that I didn't get, but for the most part this turned out really nice. This edge pad got lots of rebar and wire mesh in this one, so I think the plan will be do this outer edge, get this one exactly where I need it to be to make sure the entire pad is pretty much perfectly square, and then I'll just fill in that middle one just like I did pad number 9. So that pad right there should be last. That'll be pad number 12. This outer edge right here, this will be the next one. That'll be pad 11. It's been a long process, a lot of work, but we're down to the final 2 pads. I really cannot wait to get this done and move on to some other projects. So that's gonna be it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on me finishing this big project. And drop a big thumbs up down below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it and helps the video grow, reach a wider audience. So yeah guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.